Hello everyone. I welcome you all to my project named The Shield of COVID-19. I am Siddharth Jepla of Standard 8, Platinum Jubilee High School, Warangal. I have made this presentation to create an awareness about the prevention from novel coronavirus, which is dangerous and pathetic. We should be very precautious to prevent ourselves from the dangerous virus COVID-19. So you can check out my write-ups here, and without any waste of time, I'm going to show my project. Yeah, I hope we have come here. Moving towards the first step, the nasal application. Apply some coconut oil or ghee in both the nostrils morning and evening. Moving towards the second step, the oil pulling therapy. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil in mouth. Do not drink it. Swish it in the mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and split it off, followed by warm water rinse. And this procedure can be done once or twice a day. Moving forward, the immunity enhancers which I suggest for you are drink warm water throughout the day, which kills the germs in your throat permanently, and daily exercise and meditation for at least 30 minutes is recommended in a day. And spices like garlic, dhania, jeera, turmeric, and ajwain are recommended in cooking. Take Chyawanprash of 1 tablespoon every morning. Diabetics should take sugar-free Chyawanprash. Drink herbal tea decoction made up of basil leaves, also known as tulsi leaves, and black pepper, also known as kali mirch. Now I am going to say you a special material, that is the golden milk. Take half spoon of turmeric and in a glass of milk. Mix it well, and you can have it for once or twice a day, which tremendously boosts up your immunity. In case if a person is suffering from dry cough or sore throat, do not panic. You should follow the procedures which I say for you. The first one, steam inhalation with pudina leaves or mint leaves should be practiced every day till it cures, and lavang powder mixed with honey should be taken 2 to 3 times a day. If a person is suffering from normal dry cough or normal sore throat, it can easily be cured by above procedures. If it is not cured, you should consult a doctor. Go outside of our home, we need only one shield. Be safe, stay healthy, eat healthy. Jai Hind.